Welcome to Stock Smarts. Today we're tackling a dilemma many professionals face. Is it better to stay in the Philippines as a boss but earn less, or move overseas as a regular employee and earn more? We'll dive into the financial, career, and lifestyle trade-offs to help you decide what's best for your goals. Let's compare the numbers, I think. In the Philippines, an IT manager earns around 150,000 pesos per month. That's already a great salary for the local cost of living. You'll have more influence in your organization, more responsibilities, and more control over your career direction. But what if you move abroad? A programmer in the US can earn as much as $8,000 per month, or 450,000 pesos when converted. In Singapore, you can earn $6,000, roughly 330,000 pesos. And in Dubai, around $5,000, 275,000 pesos. Clearly, the financial advantage of working overseas is significant. However, earning more doesn't necessarily mean you'll save more. Overseas, your cost of living is much higher. Rent, healthcare, and taxes will eat into your paycheck. In contrast, in the Philippines, your salary may go further because of lower expenses and access to support from extended family. Career growth is another consideration. In the Philippines, being a manager means you're likely to have a say in decision making, more prestige, and opportunities to shape your organization. But growth might be slower if you're working within a smaller industry. Abroad, even as a regular employee, you can build expertise in a highly competitive environment. The exposure to advanced systems, global clients, and cutting-edge technologies can make you a sought-after professional. However, you might have less control over projects and more pressure to deliver results. If you choose to work abroad, you can bring your family with you, giving them access to better opportunities like world-class education and healthcare. Living abroad might mean adapting to a new culture, but it also opens doors to experiences and environments that could benefit your children long term. However, working in the Philippines allows you to stay in a familiar environment, close to extended family, and build a community without the challenges of adjusting to a new country. Both options have their pros and cons. What works best for your family's happiness and goals? If you want to know more about investing in the stock market, check out the links below for our Stock Smarts books and on-demand seminars. Let's talk about lifestyle and freedom. Yan, working abroad often means better work-life balance. No, in places like the US, Singapore, or Dubai, you're entitled to clear-cut benefits like paid leave, healthcare, and a structured work week. But remember, you'll need to manage everything independently, from household chores to raising kids in a foreign environment. Meanwhile, in the Philippines, you're surrounded by a support system. It's easier to delegate tasks and maintain a simpler lifestyle. But are you willing to trade financial growth for comfort and familiarity? If you're in your 20s or 30s, this comparison should motivate you to save and invest early. Whether you decide to work abroad or stay in the Philippines, financial independence gives you the freedom to choose how and where to live your life. Abroad, you'll have the chance to earn more, but don't forget to allocate for savings and investments. In the Philippines, make sure your income grows through strategic career moves and investments. Either way, your goal should be to build assets that work for you so you don't have to work forever. Let's explore some additional insights and tips for making the best decision between staying in the Philippines or moving overseas. We'll cover more financial strategies, career growth opportunities, and lifestyle considerations to help you make an informed choice. First, consider the cost of living. While salaries might be higher abroad, expenses can also be significantly more. Compare the cost of housing, healthcare, and daily necessities in your potential destination with those in the Philippines. Use online cost of living calculators to get a clearer picture. Next, think about the long-term career growth opportunities. Some countries offer better training and development programs, which can be a huge advantage for your professional growth. Research the industries and job markets in the countries you're considering and see where your skills are in demand. For those who value work-life balance, look into the working hours and vacation policies of your potential destination. Some countries have more generous vacation policies and emphasize a healthy work-life balance, which can contribute to your overall well-being. Financial strategies are crucial in either scenario. If you choose to stay in the Philippines, focus on building a diverse investment portfolio. Consider stocks, mutual funds, real estate, Bitcoin, and other investment vehicles to grow your wealth. If you move abroad, take advantage of any tax benefits or retirement savings plans available to you. Automate your savings and investments to ensure you're consistently building your financial future. Lastly, think about your personal and family goals. Moving abroad can be a great adventure, but it might mean being far from family and friends. Weigh the emotional and social aspects alongside the financial and career benefits. Sometimes the best choice isn't just about money or career growth, but about where you feel happiest and most fulfilled. By considering these additional factors, you'll be better equipped to make a well-rounded decision that aligns with your goals and values. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer, but with careful planning and thoughtful consideration, you can create a fulfilling and prosperous future wherever you choose to live. Additionally, think about what makes you happy over the long term. Does a high quality of life matter to you? Living in a nice place can extend your years. Live in a place you like to stay forever, a place where you don't need to escape, a place where you can grow. Ultimately, the decision is deeply personal and should reflect what will make you and your loved ones happiest. Take the time to reflect on your priorities and what truly matters to you. With the right mindset and preparation, you can achieve your goals and create a life that brings you joy and satisfaction. Ultimately, the choice is yours. Do you want to be a boss in a developing country or earn more in a first world country? Both options have their unique advantages. Both options can alter the course of your life forever. What's important is aligning your career path with your long-term goals, values, and the life you envision for yourself and your family and the goal of long-term prosperity. Thank you for watching Stock Smarts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.